Yeah, I don't really know that much. You okay, man?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they got me there, didn't they? Lucky you're here. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, I see that, bro. I appreciate it. I'm trying to say it. I'm trying to help myself. I didn't hurt you.
Yeah, this sidewalk is like...
I've never been to the Calvin thing. Yeah, I've been to a rocket game. I've been to microphone. Oh my God, you ain't what it is? Yeah, I had to go see this place. Yeah, I saw him play. I saw him playing
Alright, we're here at, I don't know, this is the sign right over here, but, Chao Fruits and Vegetables. Yeah, right? Yeah. Kind of probably up there, you can see it. So they make it, fresh. Like real fruit. Yeah, it's like real fruit. Yeah.
You gonna show that on YouTube?
Yeah.
You get a free drink for that.
Yeah. Free drink for that? Sponsored by.
Yeah.
Right in the back. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good day.
Yeah, you too. So this is the, oh, it tastes like fresh mango. Yeah.
Yes, fresh mango.
Yeah.
No powder, it's a real deal.
Yeah, so no powder in it, he said. Yeah. And this is some good yogurt over here. For the prices. Yeah, it tastes like the mango just from the stand, just from the fruit stand. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Come over here and get a drink.
Oh, this thing can make the
Fruit drinks right here.
yeah,
Mango.
that's right, yeah. That's right, I remember that.
Now we're gonna walk this mall. Check out this mall.
It's a pretty big portion, right?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's real good.
Yeah, I gotta put this down.
Oh, you just turn it on?
Yeah, let's just turn it on right now.
It's closed on Tuesday.
Yeah. So we're in the Fragrant Thai.
Go. Restaurant right there. This straight you want. Right, straight restaurant. That was what I was telling you about. Check it out. So right in there. You just recording something. Okay. Got it. Yeah. I was coming here to go leak. I'm riding, I got to piss something right here. Piss.
Yeah, the cat.
Tomcat. There's been a lot of battles, you can tell. Right? But I'm sure some people would like it.
It's too expensive. That's the main thing. It's too expensive.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're at this like big market over here. Yeah. close. Well, look at the close. So we just got out of this market over here. It's located on 1st Street, right near Astro Park. That's the one that when you're trying to have a conversation and then and then basically it ruins the conversation.
You want to walk over there either, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go which way, doesn't matter. Philly bar. I know, it's fine. I know, might as well get it. Yeah, I think we're gonna take that spot. And we're here in Astro Park right now. Just ended the live stream at Philly's bar, so I'm kind of just relaxing. Just relaxing at Philly's bar. I mean Astro Park. Sometimes the Philly's bar can get sometimes the Philly's bar can get a little bit like there's like the beggars. Like the beggars in the Philly's bar. There was like a kid who got like mad because I wouldn't give him money. He has like an attitude when like, even if you give him money before and if you don't give him money again, then he's gonna catch an attitude. So I wouldn't give like any money to them. It's a nice breeze. Nice overcast, cloudy day. Yeah, I hope that they don't change this park too much.